said 2.
Really?
Or, no, 2 or 3.
Well, hopefully we can get Mr. Mingus under 2 minutes here. I don't know who's third in this heat, can't really tell. But it looks like we got Charles, it looks like we got Hughes, Rogers, don't know, and Mingus. I'm not sure if Dawson's in this. Alright, and it looks like we are getting ready to start. Alright, and we are off. And it looks like it's, can't really tell. Yeah, it looks like they're going out pretty conservative. But hey, that's good, that's good. Alright, we got Cody. And who is this from Auburn in second? Who is this from Auburn in second?
Alright, Evan needs to get out of there. I think he's stuck.
Yeah, it looks like they went out pretty slow.
Here he goes, here we go, here we go.
I actually think they go that slow. Alright, and this is Cody Nichols in first from Auburn.
Here's Charlie. Y'all got caught up.
Let's go,
here they go.
Evan!
Alright, and Evan going out. Oh, almost gets tripped up there, but that's alright. We've still got 500 meters to go. Cody leading at a very honest pace here. Going out in about 60. Evan going out in about 61. Hopefully he can close. He has a little something left. And yes, he does. He is in third right now. And oh, that's Charlie. Oh, okay. Should have known. All right, and Evan is making a move with 300 to go. Charlie's fighting him and edges ahead, but Evan is right on his hip.
Come on, Evan, come on.
Evan's fighting back ahead.
Oh, he's using so much.
And right at 2 minute pace of 200 to go. And there goes Evan rounding the bend. And he's stretching the gap here. Oh, here comes Charles. Charles is coming up on him. Oh, Charles is coming, and Evan's fighting down the home stretch. Charles is edging right up on him, and I cannot tell what is happening, but I think Evan might have him. It's so hard to tell. And that was right around 2 flat. Great race.